Apples, oranges, bananas, all coexisting on a platter. Imagine if this apple suddenly panicked and thought, "Oh no, I don't fit in here. I need to be rounder, juicier, maybe more orangey." Sounds ridiculous, right? Well, that's exactly what we do when we try to change ourselves to fit other people's expectations. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, a poet and an artist, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. You know, I used to struggle with this. I remember a time when I really wanted people to like me. So I changed the way I talked, dressed, even the things I liked, just to fit in. And guess what? It didn't work. No matter how much I tried to be an orange, I was still an apple underneath. Be honest. Have you ever changed something about yourself just to please others? Think about it. Every successful person you admire, they didn't blend in. They stood out. Because people don't remember the ones who copy. They remember the ones who own who they are. And here's the truth. When you change who you are to please others, you're insulting the Creator who made you exactly as you were meant to be. So, how do you embrace your true self? Try this. 1. Own your quirks. Yes, the things that make you different. They make you special. 2. Stop seeking approval. You don't need permission to be you. Give yourself that approval. And 3. Surround yourself with real supporters. The right people will love you, not the version you create for them. Apples don't need to turn into oranges to be valuable, and neither do you. So, are you going to keep pretending or own who you truly are? Let's be authentic. The world needs the real you. And yes, if you like this video, do share it with someone you love. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.